welcome back. Okay, I'm gonna dive right in. Your girl is feeling for some pepper crab. I don't know, from yesterday I've just been feeling this pepper crab vibes, and I went on TikTok and I was watching all those vendors in Jamaica that's selling their pepper crab and whatever else. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make some today. Yeah, me and Cyrus is gonna enjoy ourselves later on devouring a nice bowl of crab. So I'm on my way to go and get some. I feel like I'm gonna do blue crab. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna do some blue crab, but I feel like I want to check out Xing Ying or Ying Yip or whatever it's called, or Wing Yip, whatever that shop's called. But my first stop is going to be the fishmonger, my local fishmonger, and see what they're saying. But I feel like I'm gonna do some blue crab, and I might get a whole crab, but because I've got these done, I don't want to be biting onto anything too hard. And you know already, with the blue crab, the shells are a lot softer and manageable. Yeah, so I've got to be very cautious of what I'm eating and how I bite onto things. So yeah, so follow me as your girl goes and buys the ingredients to go and make some pepper crab, and yeah, and cook up a dish. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys. And on top of that, guys, I forgot to say that your girl is finally monetized. Yeah, glory be to God, I have finally reached that goal. Yeah, I'm gonna do a vlog differently about that, but I just wanted to give you guys that good news that your girl has been monetized. So I'm just in the process of doing sort of my AdSense with my big friend Stigma. Big up yourself, Stigma Boss, guys. Go and link him up. I'm gonna put his information below. Go and hook up with him. He is the bomb. He is so supportive, very informative, and his channel is banging. Yeah, so make sure you go over there and give him some strength. And yeah, let's go. I'm thinking, whilst I'm on my way, let's have a little chit chat. So you lot must all see that I've got my teeth done. I did put up a video of me going to Turkey to get my Emax crowns, BL1, nothing less. And I'm totally loving it. I am totally loving them. I'm not gonna lie, yeah. It has taken some time getting used to. As you can hear, that I've got a slight lisp, because I'm still trying to get used to having a full, full mouth of teeth. Yeah, because as I said before, the teeth my original teeth were baby teeth. You may not really have realized it, but my original ones were small. So now that I've got these, I've got to get used to it. So it's almost like I'm just learning to talk properly all over again. But I am so loving it, guys. My confidence is 10/10. The compliments I've been getting, my face face looks different. Everything about this is just everything for me. I'm really, really, really enjoying having these Emax crowns done. They're the best. They're the best. I'm so happy that my friend introduced me to them, and even her herself, she walked me through every step, ensuring that I got the best service and the best quality in the market. So I am well gassed about that. But it's been about 2 weeks I've had these in now, and I'm not gonna lie, there's been times I'm paranoid. I'm having to message the clinic to find out, like, oh my gosh, is this supposed to happen, is that supposed to happen? But they say it's all normal. It's all normal. It's a foreign thing in my mouth, so it's gonna take time to get used to. And yeah, I'm loving it. Like, I smile for no reason. I smile for no reason at all. And I'm a girl, my face is always push up, but yeah, me have reasons now for way a smile. But yeah, as I said already in the last video, guys, if there's anything that's bothering you and you're not happy about it, fix it. Yeah, don't let other people's insecurities put you down, or their opinions put you down, because even when I done a particular surgery, which I haven't really post that video yet, a lot of people was like, oh, Ray, and Ray, and be careful, and Ray, and all these different sorts of things. But yet still, these people are the same one that's gone and done the same thing that I've done, that had all the advice and all the judgments in the world about what I done. Yeah, so you see how life is funny. Forget what people have to say and do what makes you happy. Yeah, this year is your year and you're living in your truth, and if you're not happy, fix it. Simple as that. I want to. But yeah, I'm so proper, like, I bought myself my water floss, I've changed my toothpaste, my mouthwash. Bearing in mind, I need to buy some mouthwash for now. And I'm actually just enjoying, you know, the extra time that I'm taking looking after these teeth and, you know, flossing. Not saying that I wasn't doing it before, but when you spend money on your teeth, you don't want to go back. You don't want to go back. You have to make sure, say, everything is 10-10. I don't know where I'm getting this 10-10 thing from, but you have to make sure say everything all right. So yeah, I'm just well, yeah. And what I do like about the dentist that I went to, is that they do check up on me. They make sure that I'm okay. If I have any issues, they're ready to fix it. They're just always there. They're just always a phone call or a message away, and that's what I like about them. Because certain surgeries that I've done before, once I've come back, I'm like, oh, they haven't even checked up or done a checkup to see if I'm alright, if, you know, if everything's running smoothly. They just don't care. They got their money, frig you now, Sonia. So I'm not getting that from them, which is very good. But yeah, guys, if you're looking to get your teeth done, check out Daya Dental Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey. I will leave their information below, and yeah, contact them, take a picture of your teeth. They'll tell you exactly what they need from you anyway, and they'll give you a quote, and it's either you work with it or you don't. But yeah, I recommend them 100%. And I'm gonna go back. I was saying to my partner that I want to go back maybe next year, early next year, just do a checkup and to get a nice clean, and yeah, just get a nice clean and make sure that everything's running smooth. Because I'm not gonna lie, the healthcare in Turkey is so much better than the UK in general, and I've heard that from more than one person. So yeah, just do what you have to do, guys. But I'm on my way to go and get some crab. Yeah, so stay tuned. Hello. How are you?
You alright?
No live crabs.
Just stay there.
Come back, they ain't got it. These are not alive, are they?
Which one?
This one.
No, this one is no live there. This one is nice one there. The one is from that is no today.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. The one is the problem.
Alright then.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's it. Hot. Where is he?
What's in the boat though? In the boat.
You think that when you see me now?
In the boat, man, I'm alright.
Yeah, so we feel that we have it.
Maybe December, maybe I will come December.
Yeah, true, yeah.
I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play. All you need, but I was wrong. She was wrong. Hey, how you gonna go it your way? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah. How you gonna go it your way? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna grow it all the way and say my love that I was not the same? Yeah. How you gonna grow it all the way? Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Fronting like you numb. Yeah, I beat my face. Moving fast cause the Uber on the way. Taking pictures, make sure you can see no less. That we secure like the money in a safe. I look like babe, now I'm on the way. Let you know when I'm about a mile away. When I'm outside, please don't make me wait. The party's starting when we pull up to the gate. Girl, we so late, I'm just with the crew. We ain't out here looking for blue. Cause some nights be better with you. It's a whole big something cold. And tonight we on the baby, my love keep getting cute. That's just how we do it. And that's just how we do it. Do it. Yeah, that's just how we do it. Do it. Do it like you wanna do it. Know how to keep it cool. And that's just how we do it. That's just how we do it. And you can do it too. Left the heels at home, I'm on my sneaker game. He say, where you from? Tell him out of space. Cause the back the only thing I'm tryna chase. I'm in my head. Just tell the DJ press play. Be fine, keep it on repeat. You know, wanna hate it, but like on my feet. That's how you do it, keep sun on your enemies. Good vibes on me. Ain't out here looking for you. Cause some nights we better wait up. It's a whole big something kind of mood. And tonight we on 100.
Pepper Boss. And this is my friend's one with us there now. Me and Sai and my friend. Do not watch me, yeah? Don't watch me. Today's maintenance day, guys. I'm getting my hair done, getting my eyebrows done, getting my hands and my feet done, as I am going to a yellow and white event tomorrow. So I'm gonna carry a lot along with me whilst I pretty up and fix up myself for the event tomorrow. All right, she's not ready for me yet, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows now, and then I'm gonna come back and, so she's not ready, so I'm going to do my eyebrows now and then go back to her. God, they look like they're busy today. Oh, but guys, I went to this
Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to losing love, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This will speak when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine, intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The fun is not, it's advertised. There's got to be more, been here before. Life's better or sadder. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something.
right. Done. I'm not gonna know if the woman, somebody else had done it. The woman that done it the first time, she weren't there today. So let's see how this looks once I wipe it off, because I like to stick with the same person when it comes to my eyebrows, but I never had a choice. My hair is finished. I didn't get to video much of her doing it because we were running too much jokes, and when it's festive, yeah. So I've just let her, can't even get my nails done again because I doubt that shop's gonna be open, but I'm a check same way. But I'm loving my hair. I can't wait to go up tomorrow and put on my pretty dress and step out. That's it. Okay guys, we are on our way to Boxpark to go and enjoy a mother and son day out. They've got an event called Rep Your Flag or something for the children. So, but when I was in Jamaica, I booked it, and yeah, we're gonna go and enjoy ourselves. So I hope you guys enjoy, and we're gonna video everything so you guys can stay in tune and be a part of our day out. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and big up on yourself.
This one I bet you me, I no get tired. Cover my face, calling me back out. Big demand way to get what's it going? Chihuahua, all depends on the get ride the foot now. This one I bet you me, I no get tired. Cover my face, calling me back out. Big demand way to get what's it going? Chihuahua, all depends on the get ride the foot now. This one I bet you me, I no get tired. Cover my face, calling me demand way to all depends on ride the
part of the tune. When the girls get gangsta on them right now. Turn it up!
You don't care about the car where you drive or the sexy girl where you fuck without Father God.